Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the half-tone effect in Photoshop. So let's dive right in. To create this type of effect, we need to apply 4 filters from the Filter Gallery section to the image. But first, you need to prepare the image correctly. First, remove the saturation by going to Image and then Adjustment from the top menu. Remove saturation by making it 0 and make lightness -26. This transforms the image into black and white. Then increase the contrast to 100 and brightness to 70 from the Brightness/Contrast menu. Next, I will change the curves adjustment. This result is good for this type of filter. Merge the adjustment layers with your image if there are separate layers. Now, go to Filter, open Filter Gallery, and here we can create our effect. If you want to quickly modify this effect before opening the Filter Gallery, convert your image to a smart object. The first filter is Reticulation. Set density to 0, foreground level to 2, and background level to 36. Next is Grain. Set intensity to 20 and contrast to 34. Now we can apply the half-tone pattern filter. Set contrast to 50. In my case, I set the size to a low value, but you can raise it according to the effect you want. The last filter to apply is Film Grain. Set grain to 7, highlights to 18, and intensity to 2. And that's how you can create a half-tone effect in Photoshop. Thanks for following me to the end, and I'll see you in the next video.